FanDuel rejected your Google Voice number? Mine too. Here's the truth. FanDuel blocks VoIP numbers to cut fraud, so Google Voice won't fly. But you still deserve privacy. The legal workaround is using real, SIM-based, non-VoIP numbers from MobileSMS.io. These are genuine mobile carrier numbers, not virtual, so they're accepted more often. They're built for privacy and stability across busy sports seasons. Here's how to set it up in 5 quick steps. Step 1. Create a MobileSMS.io account and add credits. Step 2. Choose a 30-day rental. We recommend the All Services plan for FanDuel. Step 3. Select a US number for your US-based FanDuel account. Step 4. Activate your session, then enter your new number in FanDuel's 2FA SMS settings. Your code appears instantly in your MobileSMS.io dashboard. Step 5. Keep the same number for all future FanDuel verifications. FanDuel often resends codes, and a rental number ensures you always get them. This means fewer lockouts, more stability, and peace of mind every game day. It's legal to use MobileSMS.io for SMS delivery. You're protecting your privacy, not bypassing identity checks, so you must still follow FanDuel's identity rules. For FanDuel, the All Services 30-day rental is your best bet. It includes unlimited SMS for the period, and there's a refund policy if a number fails its purpose. So to recap, create an account, choose a 30-day rental, and pick a USA number. Activate it, enter the number in FanDuel, and save it. Go to MobileSMS.io and get your long-term burner number today. MobileSMS.io. Private, reliable, FanDuel ready.